Goddamn Paul's got it in fourth gear. That's how you do it. Time to move it into the shop here. There's the shop. Think that'll pick it up? That's where it's gonna be. We're gonna pull the tranny out in here. Just gotta get it in here.
Well, he's like giving directions.
Turn right, turn right.
Turn right. If he got the. back.
Now we're back.
I got the
Finally got
back
it.
Here,
We're
the same crew that brought this truck
down here.
years
Yeah.
ago.
So we gotta take this exhaust off so we can just take this one dry shaft off. I can't see it. And get the tranny out. Do the shot with flash. What's going on here? This is the 13 speed. A little crusty, a little rusty. Take this exhaust out.
Nice big shaft.
There's that new carry bearing.
Yeah.
Yep. 3 years ago, pretty much. Holy shit. It actually is 3 years ago.
Yeah, almost, yeah.
Wow. There we go. Easy.
There.
There's Johnny. Wait, what are we watching here?
What did you say, Paul?
Here we are again.
And then there's this one.
DOT safety inspector, bitch.
Hey, we're still friends 3 years later.
I know. Yeah, surprisingly with
Yeah,
Paul.
yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah, take the bottom stack mount off. Get this flex pipe apart.
All right, Paul.
Is that a Chinese tool set? Is that a Chinese tool set?
Hell no. $500 worth. You do that, I don't. You fucking pedophile.
Oh my god, all the soot. Oh no.
Hey, look who's getting coal for Christmas.
Yeah, Paul. That ain't coming. You know what we're gonna check. Oh no, it is coming.
I got a bear hug the fucking thing. Come on, dog. How much does it move?
You gotta give it the twist.
Come on. Double gawk gawk.
Twist and pull.
Twist.
Double gawk gawk. Double gawk gawk 3,000. Come
See? There, see it comes easy when you twist it.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
on. Hey, double gawk.
Look at that stovepipe. Oh,
Damn, she's a
man.
rusty whore. Whew. That was my energy for the day.
Pull that out of there. There. Perfect. Look at all the room. Now we drop the drive shaft. Let it hang. So we couldn't really get the caps out just by like hand, kind of just trying to whatever wiggle them or do what we need to do. So piece of wood, bottle jack. I'm gonna jack it. Watch that. Coming right out. That's the way to do it.
Don't drop that cap.
Yeah, don't want to drop it. Just give it a spin. Oh yeah. Twist it.
Double gawk gawk it.
There we go. Oh wow, it's even got grease in it.
We didn't do that
We
one.
didn't do that. Wow. Here, Paul, take this. There's needles in there, right?
Yeah.
So don't put that somewhere.
Damn, they used the good grease.
Look at that. Yeah, it's red. All right, we go. You saw how we got the bottom one out. Top one, we just kind of hung on the drive shaft like this, like a monkey, and it kind of came out. So now to get this rotated out of there, we're gonna take our carrier bearing back out. It's all rusted now, great. And then hopefully that will slip out of there.
And not drop on my chest.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to video this because I'm more focused on getting it done.
Put a ratchet
I think
strap.
it's midnight.
Huh?
Ratchet
We
strap.
could, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, great.
Not too far.
Nah? Well, what, you gonna hit something?
Yeah. Hit the table. Wait. When we plan this out, we didn't count this.
Yeah, no.
Well, we got the drive shaft out.
I know.
See it?
I want to use the practice time.
Paul, what do you got for?
We're gonna call it a night. It's 1 a.m. Get this training out tomorrow.
I'm serious.
See what happens.
No, it just happens every year. It's just a negative.
You don't even get tested. The fuck you talking
What do you
about?
mean?
You know, we come outside. It's winter wonderland out here. Sweet. Let's see what Paul does. Oh my god.
Plow truck's not doing anything.
Oh, we got Paul with the white.